Good day everyone. Our team will be presenting on our mini project titled Micropropagation of Aloevera using tissue culture for mass production and commercialization. Today, we will guide you through the scientific process, commercial potential, and societal impact of our project. Aloe vera, scientifically known as Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a highly valued medicinal plant used widely in pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and wellness products. It contains bioactive compounds such as vitamins, enzymes, polysaccharides, and anthraquinone, which provide therapeutic, antioxidant, and moisturizing benefits. Despite high demand, conventional propagation using suckers is slow, yields limited planting material, and carries a high risk of disease transmission. These limitations hinder large-scale cultivation and commercial supply. Our project addresses this gap by using tissue culture technology for mass propagation.
This project is about the micropropagation of aloe vera using tissue culture for commercial mass production. Aloe vera, also known as Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a well-known medicinal plant widely used in the cosmetic, pharmaceutical, food, and agriculture industries. Its leaf gel contains many beneficial compounds such as vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, and polysaccharides, which are important for skincare, wound healing, and health products. Traditional methods of propagating aloe vera, such as using offset, are slow and produce limited number of plants. They are also more prone to disease and inconsistent growth. To solve this problem, this project applies tissue culture technology, which allow aloe vera plants to be produced quickly, safely, and in large number. The main objectives of the project is to produce high-quality, disease-free aloe vera plantlets using in vitro micropropagation. By cloning selected elite model plant in sterile laboratory conditions, all plantlets are genetically identical and show uniform growth. This ensures consistent plant quality, which is very important for commercial use. The expected outcome include the production of uniform, healthy, and pathogen-free plantlets, reliable bioactive compound content, and higher survival rate when plants are transferred to soil. This method also helps nurseries and commercial growers increase productivity while reducing losses. This project integrates advanced tissue culture techniques with commercial-scale mass production, offering a sustainable, efficient, and reliable solution for high-quality aloe vera cultivation and commercialization. Genetic fidelity. Each plantlet is a true-to-type clone of high-yielding mother plant, ensuring consistent growth and stable bioactive compound content. Pathogen-free production. Plantlets are produced in a sterile laboratory environment, free from soil-borne disease, fungi, and systemic virus. Rapid scalability. The system enables mass production of 10,000 of uniform plantlets in a single cycle, supporting large-scale plantation demands. Enhanced vigor. Tissue cultured aloe vera show more than 95% of survival and faster early growth compared to conventional offset. And lastly, reduced harvest cycle. Uniform growth allows synchronized harvesting, reducing labor costs and improving processing efficiency. This project is carried out over 6 months. The first month focused on planning, literature review, and experimental design. The next stage include preparation of culture media, explant sterilization, shoot multiplication, and root formation. After that, the plantlets undergo acclimatization and hardening to ensure successful growth outside the laboratory. Finally, the plants are evaluated, scaled up for mass production, and prepared for commercialization.
Micropropagation, which is a plant tissue culture technique used for the rapid multiplication of aloe vera under controlled and aseptic condition. Compared to traditional propagation method, micropropagation allows us to produce genetically uniform and pathogen-free plantlet through the year, without being affected by seasonal limitation. This makes highly suitable for commercial scale production. Moving on to the 5th step of plant tissue culture, the process begins with explant selection and sterilization, where healthy shoot tips are cleaned and prepared to prevent contamination. This followed by culture initiation, where the explant are introduced to nutrient-rich media. The 3rd stage is shoot multiplication, which is the key phase for mass production, allow one explant to generate many shoots. Next is root induction, where plantlet develop strong root system. And finally, during acclimatization, the plantlet are gradually adapted to greenhouse and field condition to ensure high survival rates. This project is supported by a well-defined team structure. Hyrule serves as a project manager overseeing planning, coordination, and regulatory compliance, and Aloevera acts as the biotechnologist responsible for culture media preparation and in vitro propagation activities, and Mawadah takes the role of quality control officer, ensuring contamination-free cultures and strict adherence to sterilization protocols, and Tai Xinyi functions as the operation manager, managing greenhouse transfer, acclimatization, and logistics. And lastly, Lo is in charge of marketing and business development, focusing on commercial strategies, customer engagement, and market expansion. These clear divisions of roles ensure both technical excellence and efficient business operation. In terms of target customer, our main customers are commercial aloe vera growers, skincare and cosmetic manufacturer, herbal product producer, and nurseries. Income is generated through the sale of tissue culture plantlets, long-term supply contract with industry partner, and technology licensing. Overall, this is integrated approach demonstrates how micropropagation can successfully bridge scientific innovation with commercial application.
Proceeding to the overview of budget and cost for the aloe vera tissue culture project. The initial setup cost is 377,000 ringgit. The first production cycle requires 50,000 ringgit, while subsequent commercial cycles cost 1 million ringgit due to large-scale operations. Each plantlet is sold at 5 ringgit and 50 cent. The first cycle generates 44,550 ringgit, resulting in a small initial loss. However, from the following cycles onward, revenue increases to 2,750,000 ringgit per cycle, with a net profit of 1,750,000 ringgit per cycle. Overall, the project is highly profitable, with an estimated annual profit of approximately 8,750,000 ringgit.
This project focuses on the commercial potential of tissue culture aloe vera. Global demand for aloe vera is increasingly rapidly in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and wellness products. However, the market still lacks consistent access to high-quality, disease-free planting materials. Tissue culture addresses this gap by enabling scalable, uniform, and year-round production. This project focuses on the commercial potential of tissue culture aloe vera. The global aloe vera market continues to show strong and sustained growth and is expected to exceed $5 billion within the next decade. Traditional offset propagation cannot meet the growing demand for quality and skill. This creates a clear commercial opportunity for tissue culture aloe vera plantlets. Tissue culture aloe vera offers clear advantages over traditional propagation. The plantlets are uniform and genetically stable, produced under disease-free conditions, and can be multiplied rapidly. Most importantly, production is reliable throughout the year, ensuring consistent supply to commercial clients. In the first pilot cycle, the project records a loss of 382,450 ringgit due to initial laboratory setup cost. By the second cycle, production becomes profitable at full commercial scale, producing 2.5 million plantlets per year. The project is expected to generate total revenue of 13.75 million ringgit and a net profit of 8.75 ringgit million annually. This demonstrates a strong return on investment once production stabilizes, confirming that the project is commercially viable and scalable. In the first pilot cycle, the project records a loss of 382,450 ringgit. The business follows a B2B model. The primary customers are commercial nurseries, large-scale farms, and cosmetics and pharmaceutical manufacturers. Additional revenue is generated through customized plantlet production, tissue culture consultancy, and collaborative research projects. This ensures stable demand and strong scalability.
Micropropagation of aloe vera combines scientific innovation, commercial viability, and societal benefit. This project provides a reliable, scalable, and profitable solution to meet the growing global demand for natural and plant-based products. We believe that by adopting tissue culture technology, businesses can achieve consistent quality, high yield, and sustainable production while contributing to Malaysia's biotechnology sector. Thank you.